Hey there, fellow travelers. Planning your next big adventure? Dreaming of ancient ruins, conquering mountains, or soaking up the sun on a pristine beach? I'm here to help you make the most of every moment. Today, I'll share my top travel tips for navigating like a pro. From packing smarter to staying safe and connected, these tips will make a world of difference. So grab your travel journal and let's get started. We've all been there, struggling with an overstuffed suitcase. Remember, less is more when packing for a trip. You'll avoid baggage fees and be more mobile. Pack versatile items you can mix and match. A comfy pair of walking shoes, a dressier option for evenings, and maybe some sandals. Lighten your load and travel becomes easier. Let's talk about packing cubes. These little guys are game changers. Imagine opening your suitcase to find everything neatly organized and in its place. No more rummaging through a jumbled mess. Packing cubes compress your clothes, maximizing space and minimizing wrinkles. Plus, they keep everything organized so you can easily find what you need without unpacking your entire suitcase. Trust me, once you go packing cubes, you'll never go back. They're like mini drawers for your luggage and they'll make your travel so much smoother. Ready for another packing hack? Ditch the folding and embrace the roll. Rolling your clothes instead of folding them is like magic for your suitcase. Not only does rolling save space, but it also helps prevent wrinkles. Simply lay your clothes flat, fold them in half, and then roll them up tightly. You'll be amazed at how much more you can fit in your bag. Plus, when you arrive at your destination, your clothes will be relatively wrinkle-free and ready to wear. It's a win-win. Chapter 4. Stay hydrated on the go. Staying hydrated is crucial, especially when you're traveling. But constantly buying bottled water can get expensive and create unnecessary waste. That's why I always travel with a reusable water bottle. Most airports and train stations have water fountains where you can refill your bottle for free. Plus, you'll be doing your part to reduce plastic waste. Look for a durable and leak-proof bottle, and consider one with a built-in filter if you're traveling to areas with questionable water quality. Chapter 5. Offline maps, your digital compass. We all rely on our smartphones for navigation these days, but what happens when you're in a foreign country with limited data or no Wi-Fi? That's where offline maps come in handy. Before you leave home, download maps of your destination to your phone. Google Maps and other navigation apps allow you to do this easily. Having offline maps means you can navigate with ease, even without an internet connection. You'll be able to find your way around like a local, discover hidden gems, and never worry about getting lost in a foreign land. Chapter 6. The power of a portable charger. Picture this. You're exploring a new city, snapping photos, using your map app, and suddenly, your phone dies. Avoid this travel nightmare by carrying a portable charger. A portable charger is a lifesaver for travelers. It lets you power up your devices on the go so you can stay connected and navigate with ease. Look for a compact and lightweight charger with enough capacity to fully charge your phone. Trust me, a portable charger is worth its weight in gold. Chapter 7. Let's talk about safety for a moment. When you're traveling, it's essential to keep your valuables secure, and that's where a money belt comes in. A money belt is a small, discreet pouch that you wear under your clothes to store your passport, cash, and credit cards. It's the best way to keep your valuables safe from pickpockets and theft. Think of it as your invisible force field against those sticky fingers. Choose a money belt that's comfortable to wear and made from breathable material. You'll have peace of mind knowing your valuables are secure. Chapter 8. Speak like a local, well, almost. You don't need to be fluent to connect with the culture. Basic phrases can make your trip more enjoyable. Start with greetings like hello and thank you. Learn to ask for directions and order food. Simple phrases show respect and make a difference. Locals will appreciate your effort. Chapter 9. Book flights like a pro. Ready for some insider tips on scoring the best flight deals? Start by booking your flights well in advance, especially if you're traveling during peak season. Airlines often offer lower fares to early birds. Be flexible with your travel dates and times if possible. Flying midweek or on less popular days can often save you money, and don't be afraid to consider alternative airports. Sometimes flying into a smaller airport a bit further from your final destination can result in significant savings. Chapter 10. Stay informed, stay safe. Before you embark on your adventure, take a moment to check travel advisories for your destination. Government websites, such as the US Department of State, provide up-to-date information on safety, health, and entry requirements. Be aware of any potential risks or scams in the areas you'll be visiting. It's always better to be safe than sorry. Remember, knowledge is power when it comes to travel safety. So, do your research, stay informed, and travel smart. Outro bon voyage, and there you have it, 10 genius travel tips to make your next trip smoother, smarter, and more enjoyable. I hope these tips have inspired you to embrace the world with confidence and curiosity. Remember, travel is about more than just checking off destinations. It's about immersing yourself in new cultures, experiencing the extraordinary, and creating memories that will last a lifetime. So pack your bags, follow these tips, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Safe travels, and until next time, happy wandering.